Hi guys, this is our first run this 2026.
No, it's not.
So dito kami sa Lansong Place sa may MOA, as in sa tapat lang niya yung fun run namin. O, diba? Andun pala yung venue. Daily Fix Fun Run. So this is our room and may batang makulit. So this is our room. Ang dilim pala. So let's open the light. Makalat na kasi. Look. And dito lang yung venue sa may malapit. Ay, dilim pa pala. Anyways, 5 o'clock pala yung gun start.
Yeah.
So, 5 a.m. yung gun start, kaya let's go! 3 kilometers lang yung i-run namin. Kasi with kids. Ayan. And yun, sobrang lapit lang yung venue din sa amin hotel, as in sa tapat lang niya. So, kung may fun run kayo sa MOA, dito kayo sa Lansong Place or dun sa may Conrad. Kaya lang mahal dun eh. Medyo pricey lang din dito, pero
Kami nasa dahil fire. So cold.
so cold. We're going to our fun run. Parang
I want that room, mommy. It's so cool.
where it's cool.
It has a line on it.
So, we're going
Open the
down.
card, mommy.
Go.
We need the card. You're going down. Kinalamig ako, mommy.
Why?
Mami, ganito parang shoes ko.
Ay, sino nagdala? Sabi ko nga sa'yo. Ang lamig. Parang malamig sa labas ah. Because
At least I have my favorite.
loko, this is our, ayun na yung venue sa tapat.
I don't care about the venue. Can we just
The venue of our fun run is just across our hotel. O, diba? O, mainit na.
Can we
Oh,
just
nakikita
leave?
niyo ba
There's
yan?
no people yet.
There's a lot of people there. O, dyan sa finish line na, tapos na nga silang tumakbo eh. Ha? Finish? Ayun o. This is our hotel. Ang kulit. Oh. Ayan lang yung hotel namin. Dito na yung fun run. Saan ka pa? Sobrang lapit. 3 kilometers lang naman yung
Oh,
run.
I hate that. For the There's no
Ayan ang hotel namin. O, diba? Ito ang fun run.
hair.
Aba, bakit? $3K po?
Sige, mag-start na.
Saan? Start na daw.
Nourish and pamper them with love. Powerful hydration partner, Sip Purified Water.
Ang gamit.
Match hair. Fragrant, glossy hair. Odor and smoke masking fragrance. Senka, 2 times microbutyl foam for style store. Johnson Construction.
May ano nga din pala yung mga dog.
Corporation.
May fun run.
Blood Burger Philippines. Hygiene. Clean nutrition. Clean sweat. Pets. Free. Time with your partners. Village people.
Bakit?
Kasi
Hey, good morning, everyone! How are we doing? Are you ready?
Mamaya
Yes.
naman.
Okay, quick check-in. Who here has something to eat before the run?
Mamaya may tubig dyan.
Okay, have a lot. All right.
Hogan Healthy Products Inc. Buenas. Kino. Lola Remedios. Glucosine. Live
I
the
wanna get
skin
my
you love.
luggage now.
Ating milky gutom
There we
na.
go, buy gummies.
Rico, tika. 1 hour ang ano ng 3 kilometers.
So, mga 6 a.m.
Kung mabilis.
Hope that you can
You should
join
run
us
fast,
at the
girl.
village.
Yeah, I can run fast.
Up earlier. Pwede kayo doon in this category. And Joe already mentioned, hydration
Gutom na ako eh.
Headband sila yung parang may ano.
Oo.
Wala ako.
Kuha ko mo yung balbi. Baka mawala.
Ito nga isang muntik na mawala.
Sino?
Si Scarlett. Oo, hindi naman. Ito na, wag na maging iyak. Let's run a little bit.
Good morning. Keep this. That's 10K run this mommy.
Bakit ba? Why you are... Oh, we're finished. Ang bilis naman ng bitin. It's bitin. How many? 37 ano?
That's my foot hurts. I'm done. No. I'm not happy with it.
Go na.
I don't know what made that.
Congrats po. Good morning po. Diretso na po tayo sa activity niya. Para hindi po natin naharangan yung karamihan pong dumarating.
Ano ko sa yung basura?
Need to refresh mommy.
Wow.
Because there's no
Isang oras eh. 30 minutes na tinakbo.
Mas mabilis pa nga sana. Bye! Bilis. Ito na. Ang mga loot bags. O, diba? Bilis ng run! Paldo na naman. Paldo. Pag 10K, mas madami kasi yung ano, yung loot bags. Depende sa run. So, it's time for breakfast. Kasi nga, ang bilis namin matapos ng run. Wawa naman ang bunso ko. It's breakfast time. Ang aga. Hindi ako sanay.